This video is about removing the ransomware called SRC. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware and I will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover them. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Well, unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular SRC ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer, and then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. So the ransomware encrypts the files and then damages them considerably. So the ransomware, after file encryption, typically tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration, supposedly for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. The ransomware also reveals the ransom note where it indicates that the ransom needs to be paid, but I urge you not to waste your money and not to pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus by going to the website combocleaner.com. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install it, and then start researching the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of this scan, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their locations. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to Premium. This way, your data will always be protected from further ransomware attacks. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to recover your data possibly.